Hi kids, we're gonna do, at least I'm gonna help you set up, save the momentum on page 13. So if you click on that link and then click on intro, and then you're gonna wanna click on where it says more data. And when you do that, you will see I have some more things you can do. But we want ball 2, the magenta ball, to have a velocity of 0. So let's enter that in there. And then we're going to draw a picture that's going to represent what's happening. And we also want to set the elasticity to 0. So let's do that because we're going to do that first. When the elasticity is 0, that means the balls are going to hit and stick. So here I have a cyan sphere moving this way. And it's going to run into, I know that's more purple, but that's okay, a magenta sphere that's there. And after they collide, the two spheres are going to move that way. They're going to move slower, but that's what's going to happen. So your first step, always, we're going to draw a picture. So there's my basic, beautiful picture that represents the problem. Then we're going to use our picture to write our equation. So if we use our picture to write our equation, this is going to be m1 v1, because we're always going to do it in general, plus, well, this thing doesn't have momentum, and then we're going to write equals, and then really it's going to be like, is it going to be equal? I don't know. We'll see. And then on this side, because they're moving together, you would write m1 plus m2, that whole quantity, times v2. So some new velocity. Okay, so there's my general equation. And then we would plug our numbers in, and you guys would actually plug your numbers in that you got and see, does it actually equal, and then, go from there. Okay, so that's how you're going to set it up. That would be the momentum part. The energy part, so this would be the momentum part. You guys still, like I said, you'll have to plug the actual numbers in and see if it does equal. The energy part would be something like this. You would say, all right, so here's my picture. Beforehand, well, this object has kinetic energy. This object doesn't have kinetic energy. After this object has kinetic energy, it's going to be different. And this object also has kinetic energy. And again, we are saying, is it actually going to be equal? So then you would write 1/2 mv1 squared, and then does it actually equal 1/2, this would be m1, and really it would be m1 plus m2 times v2 squared, and then you would plug your numbers in and see if they are the same. I will tell you, in this case, they're not going to be the same, and so that if you figure out how much your kinetic energy changed, that's going to tell you how much heat is produced. Okay, so hopefully that you guys should be able to do the first one where this is 0% elasticity on page 13. All right, bye kids. I will do the next one, set up the next one for you in a minute.